Lead the way.
Hello and welcome to Beamish. There's a coffee pot, as you can see. It's got its inspection, the mud hole door. It's having its annual inspection. There's your mechanical water pump, driven by steam. There's packet. There's your two side glasses. One there and one there. That one is getting an inspection too.
Are you ready, Jamie? No.
There's your steam engine that used to power the cows of the belly belt over top for all the machines. There's the two ash pans lying on the floor there. There's a narrow gauge locomotive, Edward Solo, Shorelaw. I would like to say a massive thank you for watching my channel. It's been amazing watching and looking at how many people who actually watch my channel.